Hi viewers, welcome back to the Healthy Friends. What happens if you use castor oil at night? For centuries, healthcare providers and folk healers have been using castor oil because of the many benefits it provides. Many think that the ancient Egyptians were the first to discover the many castor oil uses and castor oil benefits. Castor oil has traditionally been used as a remedy for treating various skin conditions and infections, relieving constipation, and increasing the health of hair. However, recent studies have shown that castor oil can be used to support the immune system, and an anti-inflammatory agent, antimicrobial agent, and lymphatic stimulant. Here are outstanding castor oil uses and benefits. Number 1. Relieving constipation. Castor oil is a popular way to relieve constipation. The various components in the natural constipation remedy act as a powerful laxative, stimulating both the small and large intestines and purging the colon walls, allowing impacted fecal matter to move through the colon. The fatty acids in the castor oil also work to prevent liquid from being absorbed by the intestinal tract, helping the bowel to retain its moisture, which allows it to pass through the colon easier. Number 2. Castor oil for hair growths. Castor oil, and more specifically, Jamaican Black Castor oil, has become a popular treatment for growing healthier, thicker hair. When regularly used on your roots, it can increase hair growth, reduce hair damage from products and styling, hydrate hair, make hair shinier and fuller, prevent dry scalp, and improve the overall health of your hair. When you apply it to the ends of your hair, the castor oil can help reduce frizz and repair split ends. Number 3. Eliminating fine lines and wrinkles. Castor oil is great for reducing fine lines and wrinkles because it penetrates deep into your skin, which stimulates the production of elastin and collagen. These two components in the skin are responsible for its elasticity and tautness. Castor oil's emollient properties allow the skin to quickly absorb it, keeping your face hydrated and plump, which is also important in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Number 4. Deep facial cleanser. Along with treating acne, you can use castor oil as a deep facial cleanser. Unlike the harsh chemicals in over-the-counter and prescription facial cleansers that dry out your skin, using castor oil as a deep cleanser will get rid of pimples fast, deep clean your skin of dirt, bacteria, dead skin cells, and excess oils while keeping your skin soft, supple, and flawless. Number 5. Natural arthritis remedy. Castor oil's anti-inflammatory properties make it an excellent massage oil for arthritic joints, sore muscles, and inflammation of your nerves. The ricinoleic acid that castor oil contains possess the ability to boost anti-inflammatory properties within the body, and is considered a safe remedy for arthritis pain. Number 6. Getting rid of stretch marks. Stretch marks are often caused by pregnancy and rapid weight gain, but can also be a result of aging, hormonal imbalance, sudden weight loss, and swelling. Castor oil is known as one of the best treatments for a variety of skin conditions. Its rich contents and various fatty acids make it an excellent moisturizer, an effective treatment for getting rid of unsightly stretch marks. Number 7. Castor oil for treating acne. The common skin condition, acne, is a result of impurities accumulating in your pores, causing the skin to become irritated and inflamed. Many of the acne remedies on the market today contain benzoyl peroxide and salicylic acid, which tend to dry out the skin. Castor oil, similar to using neem oil, is a natural resource that will draw out dirt, dead skin cells, excess oils, and bacteria without drying out your skin. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. If you found this video helpful, please share this video on your social media sites, such as Facebook, Google, or Twitter, so more people can see it.